Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the document and importing it into your AI editor. First, confirm the file type, convert PDFs to docx if the editor prefers that. Then open the AI tool or plugin and grant permissions so it can read and edit. This avoids interruptions. Finally, tell the AI your goals. Specify clarity, tone, and desired length in 1 to 3 concise objectives. Once done, the system has context, and you're ready to run the first pass. Now you revise with the AI's suggestions and take control of execution. Start a structural pass. Ask the AI to outline headings and reorder sections so the flow improves. That creates a roadmap. Next, use targeted prompts for tone, grammar, and concision. Be specific, for example. Make this section friendlier and 20% shorter. Review suggestions in track changes mode. Accept, reject, or tweak each edit. This ensures you keep authorship while leveraging AI speed and consistency. Finish by finalizing the document and checking for problems before distribution. Export into your required format and verify links, images, and metadata. These often break during conversion. Then run a final quality pass. Check readability, factual accuracy, and any required citations, adjusting phrasing where needed. If something goes wrong, strange rewrites, or lost content, revert to a prior version, refine the prompts to be more specific, or process the document in smaller chunks to isolate the issue and retry quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.